Hi, I'm Colin, and I'm so happy you're here today. Are you ready to learn? Let's get started. So, let's learn about the letter of the day. Today's letter is S. You remember what the letter S looks like? It looks like this. This is a big or capital S, and this is a little or lowercase s. You know what sounds this letter S makes? Well, one sound it makes is the S sound. Can you make that sound with me? Let's do it a few times. Just try to do what I do. S, 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 s. There you go. Now let's make that sound, only let's hold the sound out for a little longer like this. S. Ready? Do this with me. S. And again. S. One more time. S. Great. So, what sound does this letter S make? S is right. Let's look at this picture. We're going to look at that picture together again. And I want you to listen for the S sound we just learned as I read what items we see. Only one of these things has the S sound, and if it's okay with your caregiver, touch the screen on the item when you hear the S sound. Ready? Here's the picture again. Here's a leaf, a sun, and a chair. Again, we have leaf, sun, chair. Which of these has the S sound? That's right, the sun. S, 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 sun. So today, we learned all about the S sound that an S makes. We have a lot more practice with this letter on our website, so make sure to check it out. Again, I'm Colin. Go learn, be kind, and we'll see you next time. Bye.